Hello everyone, today let's find out what makes a bulb brighter and how batteries in circuits play a big part. Now let's go through the series circuit. In a series circuit, everything is connected in one continuous loop. When identical bulbs are connected in series, the amount of current flowing through each bulb is the same. Thus all the bulbs have the same brightness. The greater number of batteries connected in series in a closed circuit, the greater the amount of current flowing in the circuit. When too many batteries are connected in series in a closed circuit, too much current may flow through the bulb. The bulb may fuse and not light up. We should not connect too many batteries in a closed circuit. When more bulbs are added in series in a closed circuit, the current flowing through each bulb decreases. Thus, the brightness of each bulb decreases. In a circuit with bulbs connected in series, when one bulb fuses or is removed, a gap is created in the circuit. The path for current to flow through each bulb is broken. Therefore, current cannot continue to flow in the circuit. The other bulbs will no longer light up. Next, parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, each bulb has its own path for the current. When identical bulbs are connected in parallel, the amount of current flowing through each bulb is the same. Thus, all the bulbs have the same brightness. In a circuit with bulbs connected in parallel, there are separate, continuous paths for current to flow through each bulb. When one bulb fuses or removed, the path for current to flow through the other bulbs are not broken. Therefore, current can continue to flow in the circuit and light up the other bulbs. The bulbs shine brighter when arranged in parallel. In a parallel arrangement, more electricity flows through each bulb than in a series circuit. That's why each bulb shines brighter. So the next time you switch on a light, remember it's all about current, connection, and careful design. Stay curious, stay bright. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.